What is up, guys? This is 1994 Miata MX-5, my first ever project car. I got it from Houston, Texas, drove it all the way to Dallas. It ran really fine, doesn't have any mechanical issues. But yeah, of course, it needs a lot of work. You can see the soft top is tore apart, and it needs new suspension as well. And the interior is a bit crappy, but yeah, those things are the things that I can manage to do. I have a lot of plans for this car. I'm gonna get a new steering wheel here, probably a Momo. I was planning to change the seats, but I'm fine with the stock ones. You can see the store panel, it's just gone. So yeah, I'm planning to change the wheels as well. I got BBS wheels really cheap, and the exterior needs some work. You can see the hood, but yeah, this is all that I'm gonna do with my first project car, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.